All right, so in this video, I have a brand new pair of Adidas sneakers that I saw on their website. And I was very interested just based on the look of them. I'll show you guys right here. It is the ADISTAR, as it says on the butt of the shoe right there. These things have a just ginormous, ridiculously big midsole, but they have two different types of foam in here. That's new technology to Adidas, as far as I know. I haven't seen this on any other pairs of sneakers before, and I like technology, so I definitely wanted to give them a try. Let you guys know what I think about these, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you haven't checked out my website, Collective Kicks, check it out in the description. I post a bunch of sneaker deals for you guys every single week. And if you guys want to buy a pair of the ADISTARs from Adidas, check the link in the description. It'll take you over to Adidas site. This new model I was very interested in because I like the overall look of the shoe. Kind of has a chunky dad vibe feel, sort of like a Yeezy 700-ish sort of vibe because of this crazy midsole, but kind of a plush mesh upper. And the price point's about $130, so not too terrible. So first things first, I'll get into some words from what Adidas says about the model. ADISTAR for the long, slow run. The distance running shoe inspired by the idea of perpetual motion and tested over 4,500 km. ADISTAR combines a soft, lightweight Repetitor foam platform with Repetitor Plus, a firmer foam to create a dual-density midsole. The firmer 15% recycled EVA in the heel protects and helps stabilize any heel strike. Forward propulsion is enhanced by a rocker geometry as well as an overall 6 mm drop heel to toe. Strike soft and push forward with a shoe designed to go the distance. A men's 9 is roughly 11.3 ounces. It does have continental rubber outsole on the yarn, and the upper contains at least 15% Parley Ocean plastic and 50% recycled polyester. So that's kind of the gist of these things. I would say the overall feel on feet immediately is they're definitely a lot firmer and harder on feet than I would have expected. I was hoping that the dual density was more felt on feet, but to be honest, though, it's like almost like a tri-density though, because there's the forefoot density right here, the Repetitor foam, and then the heel is actually 15% harder than this foam here. But then you see under the insole, it's actually where you have a little bit of a softer foam on there. So the Repetitor Plus, the Repetitor, and the harder density foam in the back. All in all, I really like Light Strike better than what this is, but I do feel like there is going to be the right person that tries these on and thinks these are going to be really comfortable and really good on feet. I just had my fair share of comfort sneakers, and all in all, I do think that these are a lot firmer on feet than I would have anticipated. However, I do kind of like that rocking style motion in these shoes. There definitely is kind of a toe off right here when you get to the toe section, and you can feel that little rocking sensation. And some people really like rockers and some people really don't. It kind of reminds me of a Hoka sneaker for those wondering, but the overall liner of the shoe is really plush though. I like the liner around the collar, the liner around the tongue. Very plush, very comfortable. And the mesh, not anything glorified or anything, but is definitely nice and comfortable on feet as well. Wide foot friendly in my opinion also. I would say the style points of the shoe and the comfort of the shoe with the upper and everything is definitely there. The midsole, which is kind of the key feature of the shoe, is kind of where it lacks to me, unfortunately. They need like more of the softer layer of the Repetitor foam underfoot, and I think these would be a really awesome option because I do like that there is a dual density aspect to the foam in the midsole. I just don't think it was delivered in the best light. I'm not a runner. This is from a casual perspective. This is a shoe that you can casual in. I think it's a really nice, comfortable, all-around pair of sneakers for casual. For those people that are looking for like max cushioning and soft, squishy feels, this is not the shoe that they're going to be looking for. There's other shoes on the market that have that softer, squishier feel on feet. This doesn't have that in my opinion. But again, some people don't like that soft, squishy feel. They want something that has a firmer feel underfoot. So if you think like Boost is too soft for you guys, then this would be like a really good alternative for you guys out there. But leave some comments and let me know what you guys think about the ADISTAR. It's definitely a cool looking model and one that caught my eye. I think for myself, you know, I'm obviously jaded for quote unquote comfort. I just like soft, squishy sneakers. And this one personally doesn't fit in that category. But again, there's a lot of people that don't like that category of soft, squishy. So I'm giving you guys alternatives out there as well for those people that want something that you would deem comfortable. You might actually think this is very, very comfortable and more comfortable than a soft, squishy pair of Adidas Boost sneakers. But everybody has different feet and different ideas of what comfort is. Any which way, if you guys want to cop a pair of these, check the link in the description. $130 over at Adidas site. And thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. Have a good rest of the day, and hopefully we'll see you back for some more videos. All right, peace, guys.